Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk a little bit about the colors because I've got so many beautiful, colorful boots and I would like to explain you why I love to have colors. You have, for example, black boots and the black boots will match everything, but sometimes if you would like to elevate your outfit a little bit, you can wear everything black and just colorful boots. That will be the main hero of the outfit. So like I've got today, for example, red jacket and the red boots with the beigey beautiful leggings. You will see the outfit on the side. So you will see the three belts. I know it is crazy, but this is the maximalism, totally. As you know, and as you see, I've got all shades of the brown, beige. Let's start from the Tom Fords. I really love to wear Tom Fords, for example, with any brown color of the jacket. If we wearing, for example, dark brown coat or brown trousers or something, we can always just finish it with the brown boots. And these boots, they are really just... You can wear anything, but these boots will be great. I love to wear these boots with any shorts, with the contrast outfit, with the beiges, with the white colors. I think that all colors will match. Same, I love to wear the Jimmy Choo and Jean-Paul Gaultier, the long boots in the brown color with the tattoo. So the tattoo have some red colors on, so we can finish it with the red belt, red jacket, red gloves, something red on it, maybe red tie. Then we have, for example, the blue boots, that blue color of the boots I love to wear with jeans. For example, we wear in any shade of the jeans, just dark wash or light wash of the jeans, and we can wear, for example, the blue boots also. I really love these knee-high boots. We can wear them with the same color of the trousers. If we have, for example, the leather trousers in the navy color, it's gonna be great outfit. I create this outfit and I will show you on the side. Also, I love to wear these boots. They are great summer boots that we can wear with any shorts, any jeans or something. White Levi's jeans looks incredible with this color of the boots. So I have also these beauties in the purple color. It is a difficult color. You can just wear this color with something red like I've got today, or we can wear these boots, for example, with always with the jeans. All colors will match, but I love to... This is a kind of the magic that you can wear jeans actually with any boots, that black boots will match, white boots, all this color of the boots will match to jeans. And then I love to wear, for example, if I'm wearing jeans and beige or brown boots, I would love to create a nice outfit with the same color of the top or jacket. Pink, they are like a candy. They are so cute, and I created all pink outfit, which is so crazy, but I really love it. This is the Jennifer Lopez boots. That I really love these boots too. They are just incredibly beautiful. This burgundy color, it is just, you won't find this boot anywhere. Maybe secondhand, maybe eBay, maybe somewhere, but they are not available anymore. So I feel so special having these boots in my collection. Then we've got this boot. This is the Rodeo. And this color, it is still available on Casadei website or Farfetch. So you will find these boots very easy, and I think this is really great color for upcoming autumn season or spring, summer with this and jeans. Oh my god, this is a really rodeo color. You can just wear these boots actually with the rodeo style or something. Just if you don't want to wear the Western boots or cowboy boots, you can wear something like this. This will be incredible. I love to wear these boots with the light wash of the jeans. You can see how this color looks really good with color of the jeans, like the blue Casadei. So beige, very nice, but at the same time really difficult color to maintenance. It is really difficult to keep it clean, and like I explained last time in my video, I try to put a balm on them just to take care, and I damage them just by taking care of them. So you have to be careful with the all colors. If you will put any balm, this may cause discoloration, this may cause any spots, this may give a trouble to your boots, make a darker spots or something. So just you have to be careful with the rain, because on the rainy days it is just safe to wear black boots, not any colors, because rain may leave a little spots on the boots too. I had that, but I cleaned them with the delicate foam and was okay, but I was scared a little. So we have the suede boots, we have the leather, smooth leather boots. This is the taupe color, very nice color of. I wish these boots can be oveny with these laces on. Love these boots. They are really, really fantastic. I love this. Lesilla have very similar boots with the laces on, but they are quite expensive at this moment. So I'm waiting for any sale, and if I will be lucky, my size will be available. But usually, if boots belong to me in the future, size usually it is available, and this is the last pair, and boots are mine for sure. Then I know that okay, I just have to. So yeah, incredible collection, I know, and I really love each pair of the boots. Sometimes you're asking me in the comments which boots they are my favorite. It is very hard question for me. I don't know. I love all the boots. Of course, my first love it is the Casadei, but I love also the Amy Paris boots. I love the Tom Ford boots. I love the Casadei. I love Jimmy Choo. I love all the boots. Even the BALDOWSKY looks very, very good. So it is a great boots, quite heavy. What is like, for example, they are not that heavy. We have the Kazar, which makes really great comfy boots to walk. We have the brown chestnut boot. You can find with Zalando many pairs of the new boots. So really that you can find really so many great boots, not only the designer expensive boots, but also just cheaper ones from Zalando that they are really great. And I've got really like so many boots. They are my favorites. I love them all. So my recommendation is just find your style. Just try many styles to find something that you love, and then everything becomes very easy, because life is simple. Just do what you love, and this is it. I know sometimes it is not that easy, but you have to try. Arollo, I can just recommend you the Arollo boots too. I've got my red, and they are also very comfy to walk, nice, long, but I feel like my legs should be even more skinny for these boots, because they are really small. Just the 39 size, it is okay, but they are for the very slim legs, honestly. But they've got on the website also shorter boots, the red, but just over the knee, and they are great. I love these boots, very nice, very casual. If you would like to elevate your outfit just a little bit with the just over knee boots, nothing more, you can just find them with the Arollo, and you will be happy 100% from these boots. I really, there is a one girl in the calendar, and she have just neat, great black and white dress, and she have just these boots. She looks amazing. So yeah, I think I can buy the shorter one, because I've got the knee-high boots, 2 pairs. I've got very long, but I don't have nothing like just over knee. So I would like to have one, and I would like to find one in suede, because I know that if you wear, for example, the black long jumper, and or any black dress, knit dress, great of any suede boots. They are really just a perfect Christmas outfit. I know it is too early to talk about the Christmas, but it's gonna be really soon, believe me. Okay, so this is it in my video today. I hope that I explain you a little bit more about the colors, because many people ask me why you like colorful boots, and actually I love all the boots, but colors, they are really, really great. If you have a great collection of the boots, I think that colors are important, because boots you can match with the jacket, you can match with the coat, you can match with your jumper. I really love very simple outfits like just jeans, boots, and same color of the boots you will wear. For example, jumper on the roll neck. Like one of my favorite outfits, it is just the jeans. Can be dark wash, can be light wash of the jeans, but black boots can be suede, can be smooth leather, and the black roll neck. This is such elegant outfit, but at the same time so casual. You can just go to work like this, to I don't know, any grocery shopping you can make in this outfit, and you will look just casual but very elegant at the same time. It is really, really great. So thank you so much once again. Please subscribe my channel. I will be so happy if you will, and see you soon in the next video.